So in this quick tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a staying part in Solidworks. So let's start. Select a plane as per your requirement. In my case, I'm choosing the front plane. Draw a line. This is called center line. Its sole purpose is just to revolve workspace command. Draw a circle. Give it a dimension as per your requirement. I'm giving, let's say 60, 50 mm. That basically means 5 centimeter, and give it a distance of 150. Escape. Select these two and click on horizontal. Go to the features, revolve workspace. Because of the center line, it already picked it up. Click OK. Select the top plane. Click on sketch. Draw a circle here. Yeah, draw a single circle here. Single circle here. Give the diameter. Let's say 50, and let's make it 20. 20 is better. Go to the features. Click on extrude. Click on thin feature. Increase its value. Click on direction tool. Increase its value. By the way, have you checked out the free course on my channel on basically what's that? PTC Creo. It's totally free of course, so make sure that check it out. Now select the front plane again, click on sketch. Now just draw some random sketch like this. Escape. Give the dimension as per your requirement if you want to. But I'm not going to give much dimension. It's just it give you idea reference how to make it. Height 49. Go to the fillets 20. Click OK. Features extrude uh, mid plane. In click on here mid plane as well. Reduce this sequence to 10. This much is fine. Yep, this much is fine. Click OK. Now what do you have to do? Just click on here circular patterns like this. Sorry, click on here, select this axis, circular, and select this feature. Make it 4. Click OK, and tada! We have created this staging mechanism. So yeah, you can do whatever the hell you want to with it. So that's for all. If you have any kind of doubts or queries, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.